kindergarten friends. So I wanted to come back because I wanted to tell you one more thing I want you to remember when you're writing during Writer's Workshop today. And the thing I want to tell you and remind you is that all of the workshops are combined and they should overlap. So during school, we talked about how your pen is magic because you can write during Writer's Workshop and then you can flip it over and point and use your pointer power to read your words. And today I want to remind you the same thing works for the secret silent E that you learned about this morning. So just like how when you're reading you should watch out for when you see a silent E, you should also look out for that when you can use it in your writing. So today when I was writing this poem, my I Love poem, I actually used the super secret magic E. I want you to look for it for a minute and see if you can find it. Can you find where I used that magic E at the end of the word to make the other vowel say its name? Tell me if this is what you saw. This word is cute. I love my cute cat. And if there was no E here, it would just be cut. I love my cut cat, but that's not what I meant. So I had to put the E there to make the U say its name. So now it's cute. I love my cute cat. When you're going back to reread and to edit your poems and your books, make sure that you look out for where you could use a magic E to make a vowel say its name. Remember, you just add it to the end of the word and that makes it say its name. So in both Readers, Phonics, and Writer's Workshop, always make sure that you're using everything you know and applying it to your reading or writing. Use everything you know during all the workshops. All right, good luck. Keep on writing. You're doing awesome.